Good morning. Today is 4th August, English video session for class 10. We are dealing with the grammar part that is prescribed for us in class 10. The first topic which we have taken is tenses. In the last class, we saw some of the basic differences between time and action. Tenses deal with what? The time, the verb. Okay. It has nothing to do with the concept of time. Okay. It acts with the verb. Now let us see some of the activities so that we will be able to familiarize in this particular topic. Now children, there are questions and there are 4 options given. See, what you have to do is put question number 1, okay, in your classwork. I dash for his reply since last week. Is the answer I had been waiting, I have been waiting, I am waiting, I was waiting. Please find out which is the answer. First finish the first question. Finish the answer. Write the question, write the answer. Okay, this time tomorrow I dash with my grandchildren. I will play, I will be playing, I am playing. Please write. You write only the which one you find it as correct, because when I am telling the answers, leave a line after each thing so that when it is wrong, you can strike it out and write the correct answer below. Okay? Leave a line after writing the sentences and the answers. You can even do the pause button so that it is easy for you to get the questions again and again. Okay, shall we go to the third? I dash the newspaper every morning. I read, I will read, I am reading, I have read. Which is correct? Yes? Is it clear now? I am reading the newspaper. I read, I will read, I have read. Which is correct? Find out. Write the question, write the answer. Shall I go to the next question? 4th. When I visited her, she dash bedridden. For 6 months. When I visited her, she dash bedridden for 6 months. I am also repeating. Had been, was, has been, were. Children, think and write. Don't be in a hurry. Yes. Now the fifth one, I dash in 2006. I dash in 2006, graduated, will graduate, had graduated, would graduate. Finish this fifth one. Right, I dash 2006. One of the four options, which do you find it correct? I will graduate, I graduated, I had graduated, I would graduate. Now let me go to the next. Sixth. There dash a famine in Bengal in 1932. There dash a famine in Bengal in 1982. There was a, where a, has been, had been. Confusing? Yes, it will be, because now we are the concept itself now only we are clear. So that confusion will be there. Don't worry. Doesn't matter if you make mistakes. Write the answer. Clear? Shall we go to the next one? During Akbar's reign, the Mughals dashed the supreme power in India. During Akbar's reign, Mughals the dash supreme power in India. Become, had become, became, would become. Which is the correct answer? Finish. Okay. Eighth question. Janet dash home. Went home. Really, this is as like we had our example sentence. No, simple, same type. Janet dash home. Janet went home. Janet has gone home. Had gone home. ठीक है. Ninth question. It is 6 o'clock. She dashed home. She will reach home. She will have reached home. She is reaching home. Beautiful. It's 6 o'clock. Okay, time reference. She dashed home. She will reach home. She will have reached home. She is reaching home. 10. A sentence is little bigger. Let me focus. She dashed many awards in contribution to classical music. See? She dashed many awards for her contribution to classical music. She won. She has won. She had won. Wins. What could be the right answer? Think over. She dashed many awards for her contribution to classical music. Option A, she won, she has won, she had won, she wins. Yes? Why don't you try it and come to my next class? I will give you the answer. Shall I? So when you come to my next class, we will see the answers part. Is that clear? Okay. Keep trying sentences, children. Okay. Thank you.